Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the surface and laying the base shapes so depth becomes readable. First, prime and lightly sand. This gives tooth for later layers. Once dry, wash in the main color planes with diluted acrylic so edges remain adjustable. That early thin layer helps you judge value. Then sketch clear depth lines marking foreground, midground, background. This roadmap lets you build volume intentionally rather than guessing as you add paint and texture. Now you build actual volume. Apply impasto or heavy body paint where things should protrude, sculpting with a palette knife or stiff brush so relief casts real shadows. Once done, make sure to glaze mid-tones with transparent layers to smooth transitions and push background back. Increase contrast and texture on foreground elements while keeping distant areas softer. Use directional strokes and add precise highlights to emphasize curvature. These tactile differences are what sell the three-dimensional effect. Finish by refining edges and polishing the illusion so your painting reads 3D at a glance. Sharpen edges on front planes, soften those in back using a light, dry brush. This separates planes visually. Apply varnish selectively, matte for receding areas and gloss on raised highlights to catch light. If the effect flattens, troubleshoot by resculpting with impasto, boosting local contrast, or adjusting highlight placement to match your light source.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.